Let me show you how to connect your smartphone, iPhone or Android to your Canon Selphy CP1300. You need to press the Wi-Fi button, this one, and then this menu will appear. You need to enable Wi-Fi. So with the touchpad over here, just go up and press OK. Then we need to select via Wi-Fi network or direct connection. Both of these are working, but direct connection is much easier. I tried both, trust me. So select direct connection and press OK. Then you can set a password or not set a password. I don't have anyone around that will try to use my printer, so I'll not put any password. Then it will take just a few seconds and it will display on the screen the Wi-Fi network name of this printer. This is very important. Then take your phone and go in the App Store or the Android Play Store and download the Selphy Photo Layout, an app made by Canon. Next step is to go in the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone where you see all the Wi-Fi networks and you need to select your printer. So remember, this is the name of my printer, CP1300. It's written on the screen over there, and connect to it. Perfect, it's connected. Now you can go back and open the app you just downloaded, which is the Canon Selphy. In this first screen, you need to go on the top left corner and then select the last option, which is Selphy CP series. You see CP1300 is there, just click on it. This app has many different features that you can explore, but today we're just going to print a picture. So select the first option there, and then you need to select which paper you're going to load in the printer. If you have the original paper that came with the printer itself, it's postcard. Okay, it's the first one. If you bought paper like this, well, it will be written right on the front of the package. In this case, postcard. This is the 4x6. This is how they call it. When you're done, press OK. And then it will ask you to select a picture from your smartphone. Click there and then select the picture wherever it's located. In my case, it's in the first one, DCIM. This is the picture I want to print. You can simply select it by touching it and you'll have a check mark, or you have a magnifying glass. You can tap on it to see a preview of the picture. Tap close. Make sure it's selected, press OK. Then you can press OK over here too. And here it will give you many options to modify and adjust the picture. You can tap on it and you'll be able to rotate it, crop, or even adjust some settings. You can close this tab and you'll have many other options. I won't go through them, just the basic ones. For example, you have border here. If you want the picture to be borderless, just select this option and it will take the full size of the paper. I like this and I prefer this. Also, you have background. So if you have choose some borders, you can choose to have black or white borders. You can put a date over there in the corner. And many other options, like you can draw on it, you can write on the picture. It's up to you again to explore these options. Once you're done, just press Print Preview, press OK. It will prepare the picture. And you may get this message over here asking you if you want to print on another printer. You just have to select No if you don't see CP1300. It will bring you to this page. And under there in the list, you need to select Selphy CP1300. Select it from the list under there, not on the top. Then you'll have this small preview. I think it's pretty useless, but it's there. And once you're ready to print, you're going to press the print button over here. Just make sure you have the paper tray installed with the paper and, everything is ready. Press print and it will start right away. On the screen of the printer, you're going to see it changing to busy. This means that it's receiving the picture from your phone. Be patient. It takes about a minute to print a picture. It will take the paper and it will do its job. I hope this video was helpful. If so, check the Amazon links to support this channel in the description of this video. If not, just leave a like and also a comment. I'll see you in the next one.